Good morning. Welcome to Open Call.
I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you for investing your time and energy to be here.
I really think this is arguably the best day of the year at Walmart.
85% of shoppers tell us that buying products that are made in America is very important to them. What you're doing really matters, and especially it matters to our customers.
We will source $250 billion more in US-made products by 2023.
We would love to buy things that are close to our distribution centers, things that are close to the stores to help create those jobs, those strong communities, and reduce our lead times and help us be more efficient.
Knowing that every day I'm able to grow and provide new jobs and impact at least a few families in my area is very exciting.
I'm very thankful for Walmart for inviting us out here.
Just an amazing experience to be here today.
You're getting a deal right now with Walmart.
Change and innovation does not come without failure and mistakes. If you're not failing, you're not moving fast enough or getting close enough to your fullest potential.
It's not always easy, right? There's bumps in the road, but what we want you to know is that we want to be your partner, and we want to help all of you to succeed. Stay positive, keep trying, and whatever you do, please don't stop, right? Keep doing what you're doing because we need your ideas and we need your innovation so we can continue to keep growing.